Hi, I am Shilpa. Today, I will walk you through Knowledge Assistant, a chatbot that speaks in the voice of the AI. In this project, the problem statement was that an institution has a lot of resources and the content was present in various media forms. Some were sitting on the books, some were present in arts, and they wanted us to build a chatbot which will give answers to the queries of the learners. In the same way, the speaker would the speaker of the audio video files are speaking, or the way the author is explaining the concepts. So first I will tell you the challenge in this, Yashik. The institutions had everything, but a learner had no way to get his queries cleared directly because they had a lot of printed books and the volume of content in that was huge. Now, if someone has a query in his mind, that person would not know which book PDF should that person be. Same with the audio video lectures. They had more than 1,000 audio video files, and each audio video file was of length up to 2 hours. So, for a person for the first time heard to know which audio or video file should that person listen to get his or her answers quick. The another problem statement or that another challenge that they were facing here was some of the content was in Hindi, some of the content was in English, and the rest were in Gurumukhi, which is another Indian thing where the learner doesn't mean to be expert in all languages. Rather, the learner can come and ask question in any language in which he is comfortable with and should be able to get the answers in in his or her preferred language, irrespective of in whichever language the content is available. That these are the challenges with which they came to us. Now, why was it not a very straightforward implementation of a chatbot? First of all, the content was present in various media forms. It's not just simple text extraction or a simple transcription of audio video files. It was beyond that. In the print medium, the content, some of the content was present in old Gurumukhi script or create some customized model. Same for the audio video files. The audio video files not only contain the content in plain sentences, but they were present in the form of songs, poems, or hymns. So that was one of the second thing that is it was present in multiple languages for matching the content against the query. When the query is coming in some different language, the content is present in different language. Always the confidence score is not the same. So there we had to work to get that accuracy of more content matcher. Then they were, like I said, older scripts and the recordings were also too long. Then the thing is, we could not build generic chatbots because the chatbot we wanted that should not only give the answer but should copy the phrasing or the way the author has explained in the text. And they wanted us to build some trust for them. Trust for them as in from whatever part of the resources we are picking the answer from, they wanted us to show that citation. Now, coming to the solution that we proposed, like I said, we use some customized digitized scanning mechanism where it would accurately extract text, not only English text but also Hindi text, Gurumukhi, old script text. We had made sure that when we are dealing with other Indian languages, it is not reading out some garbage characters, but rather reading out the meaningful content out of it. Then for the audio video file, we not only transcribed the content, we did the indexing of the content that in which segment of the audio or video file what exact part of content has been explained. So we did that indexing. Also, at the same time, we did the translation of all the content into one language. We choose English for this as a common ground. And then we try to extract keywords, the topic that has been explained, so that we can extract out some meaningful content out of the songs, hymns, and poems that are available, that are present in the audio video file. And these keywords, topics, etc., helped us to get better matches with our questions. We try to study each author way of explanation and speaker's voice. Here, speaker's voice means the tone in which they are communicating to the learners. And we try to replicate the same while generating the answer, so that the learner who is reading out the answer in the chatbot, he or she should feel like that the teacher himself or herself is directly to him or explaining to him or him. For the groundedness of the answer, we made sure that we are picking only the answer. We are only answering the questions which are relevant to the resources that we have, to the institution, for very generic, universal kind of a question, but not related to this institution, or its answer is not present in our resources, then we are clearly saying no there. We are not answering those questions. These are the measures that we took for our solutioning. Now, after this, I'll walk you through the app, the chatbot app that we have built. Like you can see here, this is the Knowledge Assistant chat app. So you can ask questions. For example, I'm asking for a particular terminology from their. Now here, my preferred language is English. So it should give me the reply in English. Right now, it is searching for the relevant passages in the resources that are available. Here, you can clearly see it has explained the concept of Naam Simran very clearly. And then it has provided the citations. In the citations, it has given the page numbers from the books. Also, it has given references of some audio file and the segment of the audio file where it has been explained. Now, if I go through them, these text books are written in Gurumukhi script, and these audio files, the concepts have been explained in the form of song, and it has been sung in Punjabi language. The thing is, we have been able to extract the relevant answer from that different language content, and we have been able to give the answer in the preferred language of the learner, that is English. Similarly, if you have any follow-up questions on the top of this, you can ask here in the thread, like, how is Ma'am Simran in? So here again, you will get the answer. That's about the chat app. Now, what are the outcomes that we have got? Like I have said, you can type the question in any language and you will get the answer in the preferred language. The replies have been given in exactly the same way the teacher has explained. And every statement, as you had seen, it references to a page in a book and a minute in the lecture in the audio files. It's like I have showed you, you can ask. And if there is any off-topic question, it clearly says no. This is to reduce the hallucination and the drift from the original wonder. Now, what's special about the solution, if you ask me? We didn't just build another chatbot. We gave an institution's archive a voice, its own voice, that answers in any language, points back to every source, and never pretends to know what it doesn't. Thank you.